So something just came in the mail that I've been waiting for almost a year from Nelson Racewell. So I'm gonna unbox it and give you my first impression. And hope my damn camera doesn't die. So, damn, yeah, the packaging on these things are so nice. Okay, so I'm guessing these are the new stuff. It's no longer Nelson Racing Wheel, it's Nelson Racing Design. Right? That's for me to read, that's not none of your business. So here it is. This is my steering wheel. I believe this is a, if I'm not mistaken, it's probably a one-of-one. Look at this thing. Oh man. Now I'm gonna want to drive my car all the time because of this steering wheel. So now that I took it out of the box, I might as well just install it in the car, right? And they were generous enough to install these for me because I already have the kit somewhere in the apartment. So now they made my life easier. I don't gotta install it over again. All right, so I'm gonna do something in this video that most people want on the E90, which is making it's called a McLaren pedal shift option, which you'll be able to upshift with this and push it back to downshift, and I believe you downshift with this. So you could do one on your hand. You could upshift and then downshift, upshift and downshift, right? All right, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so for anyone that's wondering what I meant by the McLaren shift option, is this wire that goes in here when the steering wheel is off. You want to change the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top, so that way whenever you pull this back, it'll downshift. When you push it forward, it'll upshift. And this one over here, when you pull it forward, it'll upshift. When you push it back, it'll downshift. Yeah, if you've never seen the McLaren or never seen someone do it in the McLaren, then you probably won't know. But yeah, that's the McLaren power shift option. Well, yeah, the steering wheel looks super good. I'm gonna install it in the car now. Hopefully I get some good fun. So I'm pretty sure everyone is pretty familiar with the very, very fun process of removing the steering wheel. I got the battery disconnected already, so I'm gonna just push the screwdriver under here and try my luck until I get it out, because I'm not a pro at this. So yeah, to remove the steering wheel, to remove it, you gotta remove the airbag first, then you remove that big bolt. I disconnected the battery already. Make sure that if you have any E90 period, you should make sure that you put a cloth with a locking mechanism is in the trunk, so it doesn't lock your trunk, because you will be locked out of your car. All right, so I'm gonna remove this and then get back to you. Yep. So I made some progress. I got the 5/8 socket off. I got the 5/8 bolt out. I'm pretty sure there's like other ones you can use for it. To get the airbag out is always a pain in the ass. You gotta put this thing under here through here, and then you gotta make sure this thingy right here moves. You'll see, it is really a pain. This right here, sorry for that glare, but even with like it's out, see, I mean this move. Yeah, so this is what you want to move to release the airbag, this thingy. Okay. So the wheel is in. Thank God it wasn't that hard. But I'm gonna plug back everything in now, and hopefully this damn airbag doesn't explode. I'm good though. I'm sure it's not gonna explode. Yeah. finished filming this video for the steering wheel. So the steering wheel is on. It looks good. It feels good. I just have one problem with it, and it's not with the steering wheel itself. It's like the option that I wanted. Like, if you guys have seen like how the McLarens work, basically you can use this paddle to upshift. I don't know if you can see that in there, right? And it can, if you push it back, then it downshifts, right? So this one does that, right? But with this one over here, when you use it to downshift, let's say I'm in second now, then I'm gonna use it to downshift. If I push it forward, it's supposed to make me upshift all the time. But I notice after a while, the car starts tripping out. So when I push this again to downshift, instead of downshifting, it's shifting up. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, my shit's showing right there. I don't know if you can see that, but instead of downshifting, it's upshifting. And then it starts tripping out. But other than that, I love the steering wheel itself. It's built good. It was a long wait, but I appreciate the quality. I appreciate the result. Plus, they have sent me this with it that just put the, what's it called? Put the pin in the coffin, the nail in the coffin, something like that. But yeah, so this is the steering wheel. It feels super good. The interior, I think, is maybe finally done. There's like a few more things I need to do in the interior, and then I'm gonna stop touching the interior completely. Yeah, the interior looks super good now. I do have a few issues with the car, but the problems that the car has, the steering will kind of make up for, because it feels like I'm driving a brand new car, literally. But yeah, any question or comment, please leave them in the comment section. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know like what video I should make after this one. But the steering wheel is super good. If I'm not mistaken, I think this might be like one of their last batch of steering wheels. So I'm super hyped and super lucky to have this one. All right, peace.